Hi, I'm Heather.
And I'm Sarah, and we are Oak and Orange. Whether you are building a new home like us or renovating, a kitchen is likely going to be one of the biggest investments you make. So it's crucial to get the design right, as it's the most used room in the home.
That's why we believe it's so important to spend time planning your kitchen. That way you'll be happy with the end result for many years to come. Selecting appliances during the planning stage ensures that they will be placed in just the right location to suit your family's needs. We have lived in so many different homes, all with very different kitchen layouts, so we have first-hand experience of what works best.
These are our must-haves when designing a dream kitchen. Firstly, we prefer to include a dishwasher on our island bench near a built-in bin and sink to help with easy cleanup after meals. A built-in double oven enables us to cook at different temperatures, and we always like to make sure our cooktop and fridge are close to each other for easy meal preparation.
These days, appliances are created with both design and functionality in mind. Westinghouse have taken this to a whole other level with their innovative Aspire range in dark stainless steel, which includes a beautiful collection of ovens, cooktops, range hoods, dishwashers and fridges.
Westinghouse appliances help you save time, cook more food at home, eat healthier, and even make cleaning quicker as well.
They are perfect for those with busy schedules or who just want to spend more time doing activities they love or with family and friends.
When planning your dream kitchen, consider your daily life, family dynamics, and how you use the kitchen space. Planning and choosing the right appliances to suit these needs will mean you get what you need done quicker and easier than ever before.
Prioritising your appliance selections early means you will have the exact measurements you need to move on to creating and designing your dream kitchen that will not only look stunning but function seamlessly as well.
We like to start with our vision board for our kitchen to help us narrow down the all-important design selections like bench tops, splashbacks and cabinetry.
We're choosing a gorgeous shade of green for the lower cabinetry in this kitchen as a nod to that classic farmhouse style, and mixing it with white V-groove profiled cabinetry to add that coastal vibe, or with finger pull handles to add a modern touch. By selecting appliances at the start of your kitchen planning, you can breathe easy knowing your electrical and plumbing provisions are in the right place, as these can be expensive to move later on.
Westinghouse has a range of appliances that will enhance any lifestyle, with clever functions making your cooking easier and tastier than ever before, plus saving you precious time.